Hi guys, sorry I've been sick, so I couldn't do videos. But remember, we're doing the tractor reviews. I've done that. So we only have a few left. So let's continue on maybe this one. And it's so hard just to get it real one here. Okay. So next up we have this harvester. It comes with a truck. Can't lift the front up, but it has a grain pipe. I don't remember what it's called. Just get it out. Yeah, it can only go about this much. But yeah, that can come out. That's that it has in real life. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And also you can't see the model because it's toy. But yeah, so it comes with this. It fits on the trailer, then the trailer goes on the truck, like that. Yeah, then you have the trailer. Pretty cool semi trailer. I love the semis. I don't know, do you? Well, make sure to subscribe and like and put on the post notifications for more videos. So yeah, pretty nice trailer. Sorry if you see my fingers a little bit, I apologize. This is my truck I got with it. It's the truck that goes in a trailer. Yeah, so that's it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, leave a like and subscribe. See you guys. Bye. Oh yeah, bye.